Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing quickly and getting the machine running. First, confirm whether you need dry or wet mode and swap to the proper inlet. Next, install the correct filter and collection container, HEPA for fine dust, foam for liquids. Once done, connect the hose and nozzle and plug into a grounded outlet or ensure battery shows charge. Make sure switches are off before power-up so you avoid accidental startup. This saves time and prevents damage as you start cleaning. You now move into active cleaning with purposeful technique. Switch on, test suction on a small spot, and adjust power, low for upholstery, high for deep carpets. Use the crevice tool for edges, brush for fabrics, and the floor nozzle for open areas. Maintain 1 to 2 inch distance on fragile surfaces to avoid scuffing. While working, watch the tank and filter indicator. When the liquid or dust level reaches about 75%, stop and empty so performance stays strong, and filter. You finish by turning off and unplugging, then emptying both dry and wet tanks into appropriate waste. Rinse and allow filters and foam to dry fully before reassembly to prevent odor and mold. Inspect hoses and attachments for clogs and run a quick vacuum test so you confirm restored suction. If suction is weak, check seals, filter saturation, and motor brushes. Replace worn brushes. Troubleshooting tip: if the unit trips the breaker, reset and verify tank is seated. A misaligned tank can stop airflow and trip safety cutouts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.